Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue south on US-98 into US-301, beginning at mile 444 in unincorporated Pasco County as we approach the Dade City area. The roadway is a divided highway here, carrying through traffic toward the north side of town. The signed highways are US-98 south into US-301 south, while State Road 35, State Road 39, State Road 700, and State Road 533 all become part of the story as we work through Dade City. Around us, the drive is transitioning from rural eastern Pasco County into the commercial and residential edge of town. We enter Dade City North, an unincorporated census-designated place with 2,803 residents in the 2024 American Community Survey. It sits directly along the US-98 and US-301 corridor, just north of Dade City itself, with roadside businesses, homes, and local streets feeding into the highway. This area is separate from the city government of Dade City, but it functions as part of the same north side community. We're also close to the Pioneer Florida Museum and Village, one of the area's best-known visitor stops, with historic buildings, farm equipment, and railroad-related exhibits tied to inland Florida's early settlement. We entered Dade City, the county seat of Pasco County. The city had 8,152 residents in the 2024 American Community Survey, with a median household income of $70,107 and a median owner-occupied home value of $240,800. US-98 and US-301 now bear left onto the Dade City Bypass. That bypass label still shows up because this was originally the East Side truck bypass around downtown. For years, US-98 and US-301 followed 7th Street through the middle of Dade City. The route through town later became the US-98 and US-301 business route, while the bypass carried through traffic around the east side. Around 2006 or 2007, the bypass became the mainline route for US-98 and US-301, and the old business route designations were removed. The bypass itself carries the unsigned State Road 533 designation, which is why this short stretch can look confusing on maps. The signed U.S. highways are on the bypass, but the older hidden State Road 35 and State Road 700 continuity stayed with the old 7th Street route through town for part of the way before returning to the main line south of the bypass. State Road 39 is another hidden number tied to US 301 in this area. As seen here with all the orange barrels and barricades, FDOT is widening this former 2-lane bypass into a 4-lane divided urban roadway, adding sidewalks, improving signals, and building new roundabouts along the way. At this roundabout, the old 7th Street route comes back in. This is where State Road 35 and State Road 700 rejoin the signed highways, and the bypass section gives way to the combined southbound route. We remain on US-98 and US-301 together with a divided roadway and more development around us on the south side of Dade City. Downtown is back to the west with the historic Courthouse Square, local shops, restaurants, and community events such as the Kumquat Festival and the holiday Christmas stroll. Dade City is known for its small town downtown, but this side of town is more about the highway connections. The Clinton Avenue area is especially important because State Road 52 runs west from here towards St. Leo, San Antonio, Land O'Lakes, and I-75. This whole south side corridor has been reshaped to make the movements between US-98, US-301, Clinton Avenue, Old Lakeland Highway, 7th Street, and the nearby railroad easier to follow. Here, US-98 turns left and leaves US-301, continuing with State Road 35 and State Road 700. US-301 continues south towards Zephyrhills and then on toward the Tampa Bay region, Bradenton, and Sarasota, with the hidden State Road 39 connection belonging to the US-301 corridor south of this split. US-98 heads southeast from here toward the Polk County line, the edge of the Green Swamp area, and eventually Lakeland. We're back in unincorporated Pasco County as US-98 settles into a more rural southeast course beyond Dade City. We conclude today's video at mile 453. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.